Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a Facebook page if you're trying to promote affiliate offers using Facebook ads. So let's get started. So before starting out the video, I have a few important points for you. The first one is Facebook hates weight loss offers and make money online offers. So never promote these kind of offers. If you're promoting these kind of offers, then your ad account is going to be banned in the near future. And the second thing is treat your Facebook page as a brand. So what do I mean by this is that after creating your account, you need to run like post boost ads, post engagement ads and page like ads. Just like show Facebook that you are treating your page as a brand. You care for your page and like you are growing your page, you are generating engagements and generating page likes for your page, and you are serious in doing business with Facebook. So you need to make sure this happens, and Facebook sees it all. Facebook only wants to work with brands, not a like simple page that is only created for the purpose of just running affiliate offers ads. And the third thing is, you while creating your Facebook page, you need to fill out each and every possible fields, like your long description, the impressum, the email field, or the website field, or the privacy policy field. So obviously before creating a Facebook page, we must need to have a product. So for this example, I have chosen a ClickBank affiliate offer, and this is this like forget all about manifestation and numerology offer. I have never seen this offer, or I have never promoted these kind of offers. So just creating a page around this offer. So let us choose a name for our Facebook page. So the name would be like always be generic if you are when you are choosing the Facebook page name. So this is a spiritual offer, and I've never seen this offer. So just picking a random name, and always fill these fields as I talked earlier. Fill each and every detail. Okay, so description is follow the page for daily manifestation. I don't know, whatever, you can fill it out by yourself, and then we will click on like create page. So the page has been created. Now you need to add a profile picture, add a cover photo. So now as you can see, I have added a Facebook cover photo and a profile picture. So now saving it. So this is our page. So the first thing is creating a username. So at the very start, when your page is brand new, you cannot create a username. After you like grow your page, then you will be eligible to create a username. So leaving this section. So the second thing is you need to add a button. So add a button, like add a button for, like you can choose any of the buttons according to your business, but we are talking about affiliate marketing. So I will choose like the option send message. Okay, so this button has been added. So the third thing is you need to click on edit page information here, and then fill out all the possible like things you can. Okay, so the name is spiritual center, and we are not eligible right now to create a username. And in the place of description, please be as like fill out the description with more words. So in the email address section, you must need to put your business email address, because you are treating your Facebook page as a brand. Okay, so what is a business email address? So my personal email address is the nimble@gmail.com. This is a personal email address. So let's assume that my website's domain name is the spiritualcenter.com. So example of a business email address, of how a business email address looks like, is like support@the spiritual center.com. So this is an example of a business email address around my domain, around the domain of my website. So you need to get this, and you will get this from a site called zoho.com for absolutely free. You need to go to zoho.com and click on sign up now. Click on here, mail, sign up now, and click on business email. Click on sign up for free. You can scroll down and click on here, forever free plan. You need to sign up now, and later on follow the on-screen instructions. And to get a business email, obviously you need to have your website. So get a business email address from zoho.com for absolutely free, and fill out this here. Fill out that here and enter your website here. Okay. And after entering your website and business email address, that will be automatically saved. My page doesn't have a location. So for service area, as like we do not have any physical products and we are not doing any servicing, so we just leave this as blank and click on always open. The page is always open, this community is always open. And this section is temporary service changes. This section is because of the COVID-19. Like if your business has been affected by COVID-19, or yes or no, is just asking. Like just click on operating as usual. So this section is also very important. Like in the long description, you need to add more and more words and be as descriptive as you can. And so in the impressum field, so let us first look at what is an impressum. So it is basically a fancier word of about us or terms of condition pages. Okay, so when you generate terms of condition pages or about us pages, like about your like website or about your page, about your business, then you need to like fill that thing in this impressum section. So for example, this is the impressum of the BMW page. So as you can see that this Facebook page is maintained by like each and every detail, every legal pages and everything, like address and like partners and business email, everything is in the impressum section. And when you fill impressum section, it is very important for your page to fill out this. Okay, and in the privacy policy section, you will fill out the link to your privacy policy, the link to the privacy policy of your website. So after this, you must need to come to the settings of the page. So in the general settings tab, you must need to go to the profanity filter. So click on the profanity filter and click on strong and save the changes. So what does profanity filter? Profanity filter is a shield of shield of protection for your page. And the second thing is the page moderation tab. Okay, so in the page moderation, you need to come to Google and type in Facebook page moderation word list, and go to any of these lists and download any of these lists and upload it here, and click on upload from .csv and upload that downloaded file here. So what does it do is that downloaded file contains hundreds and thousands of like slang words and hate words. Okay, so by uploading this and clicking on save changes, it will just like if someone comments like fake or spam or any like dirty word in under your ads or under your post or on your page, it will block them from doing so. So after this, what you need to do is click on your page and come to your home page, and all the main settings, all the basic things have been done. So what do you do of the username? So when you grow your page and when you come to a stage when Facebook believes that you are a real page and you are treating your Facebook page as a brand, then you will be able to create a username after I think 4 to 5 days after like posting regular content. And you like create blogs that are useful for the people who are in spirituality and share those blogs here. and you can just like grow your page. And after like growing your page to like 500 followers or 1000 followers, you are all ready and all set to run the main conversion ads. So how do you grow your page? So I would 100% recommend that invest in Facebook ads, post engagements and page likes campaigns, so that Facebook believes you, trusts you more. And when you run the main conversion ads, you will face no problems in running those ads. Just stay within the Facebook ads policies and the landing page policies and everything else that I have talked in my earlier videos. So this is it, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.